Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the Anker Premium USB-C 5-in-1 network adapter. This can be used with the laptop that does not have an inbuilt network port. So let us unbox this and show you how it looks like. So this is the Anker 5-in-1 Premium USB-C to network adapter. So this has a nice little box here. So let's remove this. You can see you have this nicely finished Anker 5-in-1 Premium USB-C to network port adapter. You can see one network port here, 3 USB-C ports and 1 HDMI port. Okay, let's see how it works when we connect it to the laptop. The laptop that I currently have is a Dell 15 XPS 9560, which does not have a network port inbuilt. I have the USB-C port to connect additional ports like the one that I'm going to connect now. So let's connect the device. Okay, so now this is plugged in and it is ready to get connected with 3 USB ports, 1 additional HDMI port and the network adapter for LAN connection. When it is connected to the laptop, you will see this device as Realtek USB Gigabit family controller 2. So as you see here in the device manager, it is showing under the network adapter USB family controller 2. So if you see this, then the device is recognized and is ready to be used. Okay, now I have connected the LAN cable to the adapter. Let us see what it shows in the computer. Okay, now we see that the internet is connected through this network adapter Ethernet 2, and it shows that it is connected to Linksys, which is my home modem. So we are connected to the internet now. Yeah, internet is connected and it is working fine with the network adapter that I have connected. Let me also show you how we can use the adapter for the USB Plantronics headset, and also by connecting the mouse into it, so that whatever ports we have in the laptop can be used for connecting other devices like for example external hard disk or the USB DVD drive, etc. This adapter I think will support maximum current of 1 amps. So anything above that I think it should not be connected. So play extra caution when you connect heavy external hard disk to the port. If you wanted to connect bigger size hard disk, then I would recommend connecting the hard disk directly to the USB port in the laptop. So now you see that the mouse is connected to the laptop USB port. The receiver is connected over here. Let me remove this and connect it to one of the USB port in the external adapter and see if the mouse is working fine or not. Okay, now I have removed the mouse receiver, and connected to the port in the external adapter. Let's see how the mouse work now. Okay, you see the mouse is responding to my move, so which means it is working fine when connected to the Anker external adapter. Okay, next, now I have connected the USB Plantronics headset directly into this adapter, and I can see that in the device manager it is directed as a Plantronics headset. I can show you under device manager, sound, video and game controller. You can see that Plantronics C320 is detected, and the drivers are working fine. The exact model of the Plantronics that I am using is C320. You can see here the speaker is also Plantronics C320, which means it is working fine. Let me quickly verify if the voice is getting recorded from the headset. I can open the voice recorder that is inbuilt in Windows 10. Let's start recording, and then tap this headset over here. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Okay, there you go. You can see that it is responding, and the voice is getting recorded. So that's all about the Anker Premium 5-in-1 external adapter. The main advantage is that when you have limited ports in the laptop, and you wanted those ports to be used for some other purpose, then this external adapter will be of great help to connect all your devices, like my USB headset, the mouse receiver, and also if you wanted to connect external monitor as a secondary display, you can connect that as well here. And also if you wanted to charge your phone, you can use the other USB ports to charge it. These ports are all USB 3, which means the data transfer is high, and also the charging amps will be more, so your phone will get charged quickly. You can see that the USB port is colored blue, which means it is a USB 3 port as per the international standard. If you see that the color coding has to be blue for USB 3. If you don't see the color as blue, then it is not a USB 3 standard. So this is the international standard set by the consortium. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel at Gopi 2020, and don't forget to click the bell icon for future videos. Thank you. Bye.